Oh, hey! Hey, welcome back to One Good Thing at Home. We are dealing with lots of dirty dishes. Are you dealing with lots of dirty dishes? So this week I want to show you how to build my new improved cleaning station to turn this sink from this into something beautiful. Number one, you need a good pot scrubber. Everyone needs a good scrubber. This is a classic pot scrubber. This is steel wool. Not so bad. The upgrade, chain mail. This is super cool. Stainless steel chain mail. You can throw it in the dishwasher. It scrubs everything, including cast iron. Number two, you need a good sponge. So I went on a hunt looking for something to replace my little potato chip sponge here, which isn't bad, but it leaves me a little bit wanting. So I got this sponge. I found this sponge through a friend. This is the Skura sponge. This is a sponge subscription. It has a super abrasive side. It has this odd foam, which is incredibly good for washing dishes. I've fallen in love with it. It's antimicrobial, so it doesn't smell. And when this wears out and the color disappears, they send you a new one. But if you want to be sort of all natural about things, this is my choice. These are French Popup sponges. They come in these little flat little cards because when you add water, they pop right up. They are 100% cellulose, totally biodegradable. They're not expensive, they look great, and they work well. Number three, you need a good sponge holder. The breakthrough last year was to get your sponge holder inside the sink so it all drips inside the sink and it keeps your counters clean. So I introduced you to this little basket with the suction cups, but I've discovered that I hate this one. It doesn't stick. I felt bad about myself. So I went back to the drawing board and now I found the Ture Tech sponge holder with the little cement back so it just cements itself to the side of your sink. And because it's small, my double solution, double Ture Tech in the side or the back of your sink becomes the ultimate sink cleaning kit. So that's it for this week. I hope this helps you clean your plates as well as it helps us clean ours. Send us your suggestions, send comments, and I'll see you next week. I think it's called Ture or something like that.
It's called Ture Tech, T-U-R-E Tech.
You're not supposed to be able to speak.
Ture Tech.
Don't speak.